Zones are an important grouping mechanism in MEP disciplines. You can easily define common properties like temperatures for heating and cooling, and then group all your rooms into zones. The advantage: while changing a zone property, all your affected rooms are changed also. The linear zoning is completely compatible with the built-in Revit zoning, but of course it puts additional functionality on top. See this button here and the options. First you see the flat list of all spaces, but you can also see this sorted by levels. This makes it easy to assign spaces from different levels to one zone. First, let's take a look on our zone templates. Here you see predefined zones with names and temperatures for heating and cooling. You can easily add this list or modify. How does it work? Just simply select your offices, for example, and you see directly in your floor plan what you have selected. Then with a right click, move this to the new zone template offices. Next thing is sanitary rooms. We select all these rooms and put them to a sanitary zone. Then we take all the other rooms, which are somehow technical, and put them into a technical rooms zone. And last but not least, we move this into a corridor zone. Let's take this conference room and drag and drop it just into the offices group. So now you see we have sorted our spaces into 4 different zones, and while selecting you can easily see if everything was assigned correctly. Another thing that Linear offers is the individual property dialogues for zones and spaces here. These are really just the important values that you need to change all the time, and by simply clicking with right click on such an element you see this properties dialog. And if you change to a space, then you see that you have just the elements or properties that you need to modify for your purpose. And of course in a 3D view you see also clearly what you did. Just select a 3D view, make your architecture transparent, go to the zoning dialog and select your zone.